How to read any ebook for free on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can read ebook for free on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. So reading ebooks for free on Android device is very legally through the application that offers free books, classic literature and library access. And here's how you can read ebook for free. First option is to use Google Play Books. This application legally offers thousands of free books, so you can simply open up Google Play Books application if that is available in your region. After you open up the application, in the search bar, search for free books. Now under the list, you could find the books or the ebooks that you could read for free on Google Play Books. But in case if the Google Play Books application is not available in your region, then you can install Amazon Kindle from the Google Play Store. So open up Google Play Store and then search for Amazon Kindle and then install the application. Once the installation is complete, now open up Kindle application and you may be required to sign in. If prompted, sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the search bar at the top, and in the search bar, you have to search for free books. So from all of these books here, you can select one of your preferred choice and read these ebooks on the Amazon Kindle as well. So these are the way to read any ebook for free on Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.